Hey guys, Liberty Steel here. Today we are going to talk about the new Perun 2 Mini by Olight. Now I'm going to tell you, for as long as I can remember, I've been calling it the Perun. And it's going to be called that in places throughout the video. But I just learned this week that I've been pronouncing it wrong all this time, and it's Perun. So we're going to be going over the Perun 2 Mini by Olight. So let's check it out. For today we're going over the new Perun 2 Mini by Olight. So let's take a look at it for a minute. All right, so let's go over the specs. Alrighty, so it comes in at about 64 millimeters long and 54 grams of weight. It's got a 150 meter max throw with 1100 lumen max output. On moon mode, it'll last up to 10 days. It does have an IPX8 rating for waterproof. So let's go over the different run times. On turbo, 1100 lumens for about 2 minutes and then steps down to 250 lumens for 80 minutes. On high, 250 lumens for 100 minutes. On medium, 60 lumens for 7 hours. Low, 15 lumens for 26 hours. Moon, 2 lumens for 10 days. And red, yes, it has red LED. Red comes in at 40 lumens for up to 150 minutes. Like a lot of Olights, it is magnetic charging, and it comes with a charger. This is a popular feature for a lot of Olight customers. It makes it super easy. Just plug it into a USB port and you're good to go. It comes with a headband. The clip fits nicely in the groove down there. Clip it on, and it is nice and sturdy, but you can still turn it for use. The headband is adjustable and quite comfortable. So there you go. Hold it down. Gives you moon mode at 2 lumens. Just turn it on. One click. Cycle through. Just hold it down. Low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. For turbo, double tap. Now if you notice that green indicator there, it will do 3 different colors based on the battery charge. Green is fully charged. You've got yellow and you've got red. Now from the off position, double tap and it will give you red. And then hold down while the red is on. That gives you SOS. Alrighty, now let's compare it to the old model. So, you can see a So you can see a definite difference in the LED and lens. The new button is larger and easier to use, and it has the indicator light. On the old Perun Mini, the clip was fixed, whereas on the new one, you can rotate it, allowing you more adjustability. It is only slightly larger, barely noticeable, and different knurling on it. Alrighty. So, that's moon mode. I know it's hard to tell, I got some ambient light here. But what I really want to show is the difference in the hot spots. You notice that's really wide and spread out. No real hot spot, mainly just flood. It's got a very defined hot spot with flood around it. That's just on high. That's turbo. There you go. I wanted to point out that it will work with the old patch mount of the old Perun Mini. It'll still be able to be used on that and makes it adjustable. So there you go. I just wanted to throw out a little teaser about the free light being given away with this next sale on the Olight website. Nifty little keychain light with nice snowflake design. It's the i3E EOS. Free during the next sale. All right, I am out here with the new Perun 2 Mini by Olight. That's on turbo at about 70 feet from that target. Cycle through it. And turbo. And red. I'm in the backwoods. Gonna start it on moon. You can't see a whole lot unless you're right up on it. Then low, medium, high, low, medium, high, turbo, and red. Low, medium, high, red, or turbo, then red, and then SOS with red. Pretty cool. Now to compare, this is the new Perun 2 Mini. This is the old Perun Mini, both in turbo. The new one has a considerably tighter beam. There you go. So one of my concerns about the red LED was that it's pretty bright, and here we are 70 feet away and we can see it. And yeah, it's facing towards us. But one of the benefits of a red light of old is to be able to read a map, compass, watch, without being seen from a distance. And we could see it pretty good. Here we are coming up on it. And here we're going into, it's faced away at some leaves. And you can still see it pretty good. Now, the other main benefit is to be able to use it to see without losing your night vision. But I was still concerned about how bright it was. So I decided to look into the moon mode. Now this is the moon mode, 2 lumens, you can read just fine. And here in a second, you're going to see what it looks like from 70 feet away. And it's barely noticeable. Yeah, there's a light there, but properly covered, you're going to be able to maintain some security levels with that. So I think my concerns were unwarranted. Yeah, I would like to have 2 levels of red, but I think this is fine. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in any Olight products like the Perun 2 Mini, check down in the description. There is a direct link to the website. Please use that link. That gives me credit. And for 10% off of non-sale items, use coupon code LS10. That's Liberty Steel 10, LS10. Now there is a sale coming up for Christmas, and the new Perun 2 Mini will be debuted on that sale. So check it out. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.